Welcome back. Now imagine you have taken the time to design a church flyer like this, and then you decided to save it, okay, expecting that you are going to send it to your clients later. Now, only for you to discover that by the time you save and then you want to retrieve it back and send, and you click on this, and then you got something like this. All that you have labored for scattered everywhere. Look at the circle, it's no longer circle. All of the circles have become oval. Look at here, become oval. Look at the Bible text, scattered. Name, scattered. Scattered. Everywhere, scattered. Look at this, the circle here, scattered. Everything scattered. Now, how do you prevent this from occurring? How do you prevent this from occurring? So I'm going to be showing you how you can fix issue that has to do with your project getting scattered after you have saved them as projects. Okay, so let's get started. Now, what do I do? So let me pick a design. Let's say this is a design. Okay. Now, the problem with why you have that problem, why your project gets scattered, is the reason for that is the way you saved that project. Okay, so pay attention so that you don't have such an issue at the end of the day. So now let's see what we can do. So when you want to save, now you come to this icon here, this icon, you come to it, and then you click on save. You click on save, right? Now you want to save as project. So you select this, all right? Now it's going to give you where you need to save. So let's say I want to save as my MTN project. Let's say that's what I want to save it as. Now, note, don't just go ahead and click this OK. If you do that, there is a possibility that your work will get scattered when next you want to retrieve it. So what do you do? Okay, so what do you do? Now you will notice that there is always this keyboard. There's always this keyboard down. Anytime you are typing, you notice that there is this keyboard here. Okay. Now that keyboard, you cannot OK it when you still have that keyboard. So what do? You come here. Okay. You come. What you need to do is to back it. Back it. So this is the way it is now. So just come to your back, tap on it. So when you tap on it, your keyboard will be gone, and then you can save it. I want to save it as MTN. So I will back it so that my keyboard is gone. Then you can now click on OK. Now, when you save that way, there is no way your project can get scattered when it is time for you to retrieve it from your project folder. I hope this helps. So next time you want to save, ensure that your keyboard is not there while you are clicking on the OK. Okay, so once you are able to ensure that, then you can be sure that your design will save properly, and anytime you want to retrieve it, it's going to be easy to retrieve and you won't have the scattering problem. I hope that is clear. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, kindly subscribe if you have not done so, and then ensure that you hit the like button and then share your thoughts. All right, see you in the next video tutorial.